Hey guys, this is Mahbub, and once again I'm going to show you how you can get your targeted audience phone number in this video. And let me show you what you have to do. If you want to get your any specific area's phone number, you just need to send ask on Google that I'm showing you with New York City. Okay, just search on Google new or phone code. Okay, so it's 212. Okay, so what we have to type on Google, like if you want to get some gym center phone number, just you need to put double colon, then in the middle you need to put gym, then plus 1 is country code, and space 212, then you need to put enter. Okay, and what we have to do, we need to here we have got some result, you see, and if you want to get more, we can click on more. As many you want, you just need to click on more settings, more details, more result. Just what you have to need to do right now, you just need to click on more result, then more results. Okay, just you need to do now Control A, Control C. Just you need to copy this text from here, and you need to search phone number extractor. Okay, you just go to here. Okay, then we have copied a text. You just need to paste this here and just extract the phone number. Click on extract the phone number and you will get the phone number. Okay, so let me show you. We have got the phone number from here. Okay, we have got some phone number, so I will show you with Google Sheet. Okay, we are creating new sheet, and phone number, just need to put this phone number here, and if we see if there is any wrong number, we will delete them. Okay, so maybe some of number is wrong, but we will definitely delete them. So this is how you can get your targeted phone number. So if you want more, you just need to click on more result. Another way you can get tools, where is that, advanced setting, search result, no, not from here. Yeah, this is how you can get your result. First hour, anytime, more, save search. So this is how you can get your targeted audience phone number. So if you have anything in your mind, just comment below. Thank you.